this is what we have so far. This is your main harness. This is gonna be going to your turn signals. Black is the right side. Gray is the left side. Alrighty, let's get through it. This is your right turn signal. The cables that come with the turn signal, the colors are black for your ground, white for your daytime running lights, and yellow for your turn signals. The way you're gonna wire them to the OEM harness is black to black, blue to white, and dark green to yellow. On the other side is the same colors for the turn signal, but it changes a little bit on the harness. You got black to black, brown to yellow, and blue to white. This side is going to be wired up. These are the two resistors. There's 1, to hold them with the zip tie. That's the way I did it. They move around, but if one breaks, you'll eventually need to remove them to install another one. Okay, so that's your two resistors. One of them is gonna go to your ground on the headlight on one side, and then another one on the other side. One of them is gonna go to your one of the turn signals on one side, and then the other one on the other side. They are gonna connect to the wiring harness on the OEM side. As you can see on this side, this one will go to the headlight, and this one will go to the resistor. Same on the other side. One goes to the headlight, one connects to the resistor. And then you're gonna combine your daytime running lights from two of the sides to one. As you can see right here, it's one on one side, one on the other side, and then you're gonna make one, and that's gonna connect to your headlight. Okay, I'm gonna put this back together. These brackets, I got rid of the spacers. I put a rubber washer on both sides. I had to drill this one a little bit bigger to fit a bigger nut, a bigger bolt, in order to hold the housing. I cut this one short, as you can see. And then at the bottom, right here, there's a bracket that holds the stock headlight. You have to cut it in order to properly align the new one. So here's the wiring diagram for the install. Here you have your headlight, right turn signal, left turn signal. These are the ones that I bought aftermarket. They are LED switchbacks. To install these, you need to get rid of the old ones, and either you buy a Yamaha 3-pin connector online, or you cut the one that comes with the stock headlight, the stock turn signals. That's what I did. So you have a gray one and a black one. The color schematic for the turn signals are the same on both sides. You got your black one, which is your ground. You have a yellow cable, which is the turn signal, and the white one, which is your daytime running lights. On the Yamaha connector, or the OEM, the 3-pin, you have the black, which is your ground. You have a dark green on your right side, and then you have, that's for your turn signal, and then you have a blue one for your daytime running lights. On the left side, it's a little bit different. Instead of having green, you have a brown. That's your turn signal. The headlight comes with a main harness that connects to the, it's a little block with 3 pins. One's your high, one's your ground, and the other one is your low beam. It's a thick wire, probably 1/4 of an inch. And then you have 3 connectors, one blue, one brown, and one gray. The blue one is for your left turn signal. The gray one is for your right turn signal. And the brown one is for your daytime running lights. You're gonna need to install 2 resistors to make the turn signals at the headlight work. And then you're gonna need a flash relay to prevent hyperblinking on the LED turn signals. In order to install the resistors to the headlight, you're gonna have to open up the main cable and expose the high, the low, and the ground. Your ground is gonna be the black one. That's where you're gonna splice both of the resistors to. To install the right turn signal, put the resistor on the right turn signal. You're gonna splice into the ground at the headlight with a quick disconnect, and then on the dark green cable that is located on your black OEM plug, your resistor on your left turn signal again goes to the ground cable at the headlight, and then to the brown cable at the gray OEM plug. For the turn signals at the headlight, you're gonna use the 3 quick disconnects at the back of the headlight. You got a gray one and a blue one. The gray is your right turn signal and the blue is your left turn signal. You're gonna splice again on the dark green at the OEM plug. Make a quick disconnect and plug it at the gray. And on the left side, you're gonna splice on the brown, make a quick disconnect, and then connect it on the blue. The easiest way to connect the resistors to the turn signal connectors at the headlight is to make Y connectors like this one. I took 2 cables, connect them at one spade connector, made the connection at the turn signal OEM plugs, and then one end will go to the resistor and the other end will go to the connector either for the right turn signal or the left turn signal. I will link all the parts needed in the description section below. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more content. Thank you guys.